Hello guys! Mom She's! Welcome to my channel, Jackie's Happy Home, and welcome back po sa mga existing subscribers na natin. In today's vlog, we will be organizing our refrigerator. So ito yung aming refrigerator. Medyo may kaguluhan na, no? Naging super busy kami with work the past days and more than a month kaming no house help. So hindi na talaga namin makuhanan ng time to check and clean the ref. So today is the time, samahan niyo po ako sa paglilinis and pag-organize ng ating refrigerator. Hopefully, meron kayong makuhang tips, new ideas para mas mapaganda at mapaayos pa natin yung refrigerator natin. Which I think is one of the most important appliance dito sa bahay. But before that, please do subscribe to our channel and watch until the end. Meron pa tayong pag-giveaway later. For the first step, let's prepare the organizers. I bought some organizers from Shopee and Lazada. Let's unbox and wash them first para ready na silang gamitin later. I'll share all the product links in the description box below. I got this set from Shopee. This is a 4-set organizer. Meron siyang dalawang small, isang medium, and isang large na organizer or container. It's BPA-free, made out of PET plastic, and stackable. This next organizer is from Shopee as well, made out of PET plastic din, but it doesn't come with a cover. This is long, perfect siya para sa beverages or yung mga mapapayat na items. Another one from Shopee. This has same material, PET plastic din siya. This one has an elevated strainer. So makakatulong ito para maalis yung moisture or yung basa from the food like sa fruits and vegetables. So this will help maintain the freshness of the food and prevent spoilage. This one naman is from niyugo.ph. Same concept siya ng previous product. Meron din siyang strainer made of PP plastic. But mas maliit and mababa yung size niya. Perfect siya para mag-organize ng frozen foods in the freezer. Ito naman is eggs tray or organizer. Safer yung eggs here para hindi madaling mabasag. The design is transparent, so mas makakatulong ito para madali nating makita if paubos na yung stock. Mas maganda na sa ref store lagi yung eggs for longer shelf life. I also got some reusable silicone sealed bag in medium and large size para dito ko ilalagay yung mga gamit or foods na hindi kasya sa mga containers na pinakita ko kanina. Linisin na natin yung mga organizers.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much.
One eternity later.
Yay! Finally, natapos din yung paghuhugas natin ng mga organizers. Ready na silang gamitin.
Step 2, let's empty the refrigerator and freezer.
It's recommended na we deep clean our ref every 3 to 4 months. By deep clean, it means tatanggalin natin lahat ng nasa loob, including the removable shelves, para malinis talaga natin lahat. Bakit ba importante ang pag-deep clean and pag-organize ng ref? Aside sa maganda siyang tingnan pag malinis, of course, ma-ensure natin yung safety ng family natin sa foods that we eat. Mape-prevent nito yung pagkakasakit dahil sa bacteria dala ng spoiled or contaminated foods.
And it feels so bright, it's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go.
For the third step, let's clean the refrigerator.
Punasan muna natin yung paligid to remove the visible dirt. Next, gumamit tayo ng gentle brush and warm soapy water para malinis siya thoroughly.
I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute.
Siguraduhin na yung lahat ng parte ng ref ay nalinis natin ng mabuti. After nating sabunin, punasan natin at patuyuin.
Don't you love when we take our time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush now.
Let's also clean the outside of the ref.
Step 4, let's check each item para makita natin kung alin yung mga items na talagang kailangan pa natin inside the ref and kung alin yung mga expired na pala so that we can discard yung mga expired na items.
Let's start checking the expiration date. One of the advantages ng pag-clean and pag-organize ng ref is makakasave tayo ng money. If the ref is not organized, most likely, hindi na natin natatrack kung ano yung mga nasa loob. Possible na yung mga tirang ulam na ni-ref natin, hindi naman pala natin nakakain since natatabunan sila ng ibang items. Mahirap din makapag-inventory if not organized ang ref. So ang tendency, bibili tayo ng bago pag nag-grocery, then yung mga opened items, may expire na lang inside the ref. Aside from this, sayang yung space ng ref at yung kuryente na kinoconsume ng mga items or foods na hindi naman na pala natin kailangan. At higit sa lahat, isipin natin yung bacteria na maaaring mag-develop dahil sa mga sirang pagkain. Very dangerous especially if we have younger kids. Ito yung mga expired items namin. Sayang, no?
Step 5, let's clean the items before natin sila ibalik inside the ref.
Now that we're done checking each item, let's clean them naman using a cloth with soapy water to ensure na malinis natin silang ilalagay sa organizers and ipapasok sa ref.
Step 6, let's sort and organize.
Now that we're done checking and cleaning the items, It's time naman to sort them and place in the containers or organizers. This is my most favorite part.
And it goes a little something like.
How can you love you all summer and after fall? I'll keep you all summer and after fall. How can you love you all summer and after fall? I'll keep you all summer and after fall.
Step 7, let's put the items na ulit inside the ref.
Oh no! Ayaw sumara. Hindi kasya. I just measured yung magkakasyang length sa ref, but hindi ko na-consider yung space sa other side ng ref if masasara pa siya. Pero let's see what we can do. So if bibili kayo ng organizer, make sure na na-measure nyo ng mabuti yung magkakasya sa ref nyo, ha? Let's check if magkakasya sila dito sa isa pang container. Ayan! Thankfully, okay pa din siya pag patagilid.
We will put some labels para sa mga organizers and containers.
Let's print some labels para mas madaling malaman kung ano yung mga nasa loob ng containers, especially for our frozen foods. Ayan, para hindi namin makalimutan kainin kaagad yung mga tirang pagkain or ulam.
Now it's time naman to clean and organize our freezer.
Same process that we followed sa refrigerator, kailangan din natin tanggalin lahat ng gamit or pagkain sa loob ng freezer so that we can thoroughly clean it. Ngayon, punasan naman natin ng cloth yung loob ng freezer. Let's clean using a gentle brush and soapy water. Now, we will transfer the frozen foods dun sa mga storage na pinrepare natin kanina. Now we will use this reusable silicone sealed bag for the items or foods na hindi nakasya sa storage natin kanina. We will place them here even if they have their own packaging so that malinis pa din kahit na na-open na natin yung original packaging niya. Hindi ko na ni-remove ng matagal yung ice cream from the freezer para hindi sila matunaw. So I just cleaned them and then transferred to a specific area sa freezer. Now I'll use this clear organizer para sa remaining items natin with own packaging. So ito yung mga foods na usually niluluto namin ng minsanan. Let's add label to the containers para madaling makita kung ano yung nasa loob nila. If you don't have a printer, pwede din kayong gumamit ng waterproof sticker and permanent marker. We can easily replace the stickers or labels depending on what is inside the container. So for this container, kahit maraming nakalagay, we can easily check kung ano yung meron pa tayong stock. After organizing sa containers nila, ibabalik na natin yung mga frozen foods inside the freezer. With the labeled containers, it's very easy na to check yung mga stocks natin.
since pinanood nyo po itong ating vlog hanggang dito sa dulo, meron akong i-share sa inyo. Meron tayong pag-giveaway now. Hope you can support this. So, ito yung mapapanalunan ng ating one lucky winner. Ito. This is the ref organizer. So, I'll be giving 2 of these. Very nice siya sa mga pag-organize ng mga mapapayat and mapatayo or pataas na mga ilalagay sa ref. Ayan, this is the first prize. Tapos, the winner will also have this one. Ito yung ating milk bottle. Pwede din siyang water bottle. So, yan. Maganda siyang lalagyan ng milk. Sasamahan na rin natin ng stainless strainer. Ayan. So, maganda ito and matibay po siya. At saka talagang stainless siya. Ayan. Tapos, bibigyan ko din yung lucky winner ng dalawa pa nito. 2 organizers. So, madalas niyo siyang makita sa mga Korean-inspired na organization. So, pwede siyang ilagay sa desk, sa cabinet or drawer. So, ito lahat ng ibibigay ko ha sa winner. Ito, this one, tapos, dalawang ref organizer.
Here are the mechanics kung paano maka-join sa ating raffle. So first, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jackie's Happy Home. Second, watch this video until the end. Third, like and share this video. Fourth, comment below kung ano po yung nagustuhan nyo dito sa video natin na ref organization. Fifth, follow my Instagram or Facebook page. Pakitake po yung screenshot nyo as proof and then comment your screenshot sa post ko about this giveaway sa aking Facebook page. All the details about this raffle as well as my social media account links will be shared sa description box below. You can also get additional raffle entries by following the below steps. These are optional lang po ha if gusto nyo na more chances of winning.